Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I will show you how you can add a mailchimp subscription form, a pop-up subscription form into your WordPress website. And this is a very simple and very easy to follow tutorial. I already created a video about it, and I have shown it was a very complete tutorial about it. It includes everything, how to sign up for MailChimp and everything. But if you already have a MailChimp account and you want to add a pop-up subscription form into your WordPress website, you can use this tutorial for that. And this is very easy to follow. So let's start. First you have to do is go to your browser and type this URL, smarthelpguides.com/subform, and you can also find it in the description and in the comments. In the pinned comments it should be this link will be available. So just go to this website, and okay, now it will take you to the this website. Okay, this is what we will use to integrate the pop-up subscription form into our WordPress website. So now what you have to do is simply click on this icon, get started for free, and here you can select the free plan, get started, and here just enter your email address. Okay, and then click on create free account. Okay, so it will send you a verification email. So let's check. Okay, here is the email. Continue your sign up. So let's copy and paste this code. Let's enter that here, verification code, and then click on verify. Okay, now here enter your first name, okay, here enter your username, okay, and then select a password. So I will generate a new password for this, and that's it. And here you can take this option if you want to receive upgrades and discount and special offer emails, but it's completely up to you. So I will just click on continue because this is just for the tutorial, but I would suggest you to keep this option tick so you get the discounts and everything. So now let's click on continue, save the password, and here enter your website domain name. So for this test tutorial I'm using this website, website. So I will just copy and paste it here, and then from here select WordPress, then select your website type. I will select other. You can select whatever is relevant. Click on add site, and that's how simple it is. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins, click on add new, and then here search for plugin convertful, and then click on install now. Okay, then activate this plugin simply. Okay, now that's how simple it is. Now let's click on this connect to convertful. Okay, and this will ask you to approve this website, so just click on approve, and that's it. Okay, now what you have to do is create widget which will add the pop-up into your WordPress website automatically, and then just go to click on create widget, and from here you can select there. It's not just pop-ups, there are like variety, a lot of options available, and like this one, that's you can see here where it will show a pop-up like this, and when it will provide your visitors a coupon code, and you can customize everything. You can change all this text, this smiley and everything. It's very easy and very customizable. So now let's click on this pop-up options. I would suggest you to explore all the options available with widget, and you can try which works best for you. So in my previous video I used this option. Let's try this option, or this is yes no exit intent pop-ups, like that, and this is the survey pop-up, survey kind of pop-up. So it will ask you which one you like, and then based on your answer it will redirect you to another page, and these are the gamification pop-up types. So this is spin to win type, and depending on your website niche, you can use which pop-up will subscription form will work better for you. So these are the follow pop-up type, and these are personalized pop-up types. So it will show you like this. Okay, there are a lot of options available. So let's say this time I want to cart abandonment backups for pop-ups. Sorry. So if you have an e-commerce store, this option is really good for you, as when they are abandoning your cart, you can show this pop-up. So when they go to close the browser, it will appear. So let's use this today for our tutorial. Click on create pop-up, and here if you want to edit it, just select the text, and here you can edit it, complete anything you want. So you can also edit the color, and everything gets very customizable. And once you are satisfied with your editing, okay, what you have to do is click on display rules. Okay, I think this doesn't have a email checker, so let's try another. It is not for the subscription form. So again, let's go to create widget, pop-ups, and okay, I will again use that last one. So let's check this, and then click on create pop-up. And here as I said, you can customize anything. If you want to change this picture, you can do that from here. If you want to change this, and you can also change the text and everything. And after this, they will see this will be the option. If they select this option 1, they will see this screen. If they select option 2, they will see this screen, and then after they fill their name and email, they will see this thank you screen. So that's how it works. And if you want to add more, you can also click on this plus icon and add more options. So, and everything is customizable. You can change everything. Once you are satisfied with this, click on display rules. Then here you can select the option when this pop-up will appear. So by default, this one is for when a visitor intends to leave. That is when they try to close the page, they will see this. And you can also select it like if they have spent 30 seconds, and if they are inactive, or if they have scrolled past 40% of page. There are a lot of options, so I'll just keep it on default. And these options are also very useful. So if you want to repeatedly show the same pop-up to users and all. So let's, okay, I will then if you are satisfied with this, just click on active. Okay, that's it. And from here, now let's go back to the website. Okay, now let's see if it works or not. So now we have scrolled it. Okay, the pop-up has not appeared. Let's try to close the tab, and you can see that when I try to close the tab, this pop-up appeared as we selected the display condition. And if you click on this first option, you say this. Here you can fill your name like test. Okay, and then click on sign up, and then your visitors will see this option, and you can edit everything as I showed you before. So let's close this, and that's how simple it is to integrate popup mailchimp popup subscription form into your WordPress website. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Okay, now okay, I forgot there is another important step, that is to integrate mailchimp into your Convertful account. So for that, what you have to do is just go back to the Convertful website, and here you can see this integration option. From here you can just close this. Let's go back to the dashboard. This integration option will always available here, so just click on that, and from here click go to add integration. So there are a lot of options available. Select mailchimp, and here select account login. Okay, and then click on connect. Now here enter your username and password. Okay, then you will see the authorize screen, so just select approve and allow it, and that's it. Your MailChimp account has been integrated with your Convertful account, and now all the emails you collect will be also available in your MailChimp account. And because this was a short tutorial, so I will not go and show all the details of MailChimp account. If you want to learn how to set up MailChimp from scratch, you can watch my previous tutorial. It covers everything from scratch, how to create a Convertful account and how to create a MailChimp account, what options you have to select, and everything from scratch. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any feedback, please post in the comments. And so just please use my link which I told you showed you before, subsmarthelpguides.com/subform to sign up for Convertful. And you don't have to pay anything or extra. It's you can completely use it for free. And so I will see you in the next video.